Hello, I'm Deana from The Best of Us, the Floros. So what does one do when they are a small channel like we are and you have a video almost ready to post? Yes, and you've got it all set to go. There's just a couple more things you do. You jumped out of the video, you came back in, and then all your files are gone and all your media is gone. And that's when you want to throw your computer across the room. And well, it's not the computer's fault. I'm sure it was mine. You try to get some advice from a YouTube group that we are in with Keep Your Daydream. He has a YouTube group that you can join, and he will teach you how to start a channel. So that's a little plug for Mark and Trish Leach. But very, very frustrating. So we decided tomorrow's Duane's birthday, and I really wanted to have this done. I wanted to post tonight and not worry about it until the next week for our next video. And I really wanted to spend time with him tomorrow. So what we chose to do is just stop and redo it on another video program. A lot of it's the program, I feel sure, but some of it's probably me. And we are going to have a great day tomorrow. But this is what you do when you don't have to upload a video because you don't have a video to upload. This is what you do. Let's see if you can see it on our television. You watch somebody else's YouTube. This is Finding Your Someday, who we have come to love through Let's Junk More Journey, and they are in Alaska. So when Let's Junk More Journey was in Alaska last year, they posted those videos, and Finding Your Someday chose to wait and post theirs now, so we get to re-watch Alaska. So that is what one does when they are frustrated and they want to throw something across the room. You don't throw it across the room. It costs too much money. You just stop and you say, I'll do it later, because that's what you have to do. So we will see you in a couple days, and you guys, everyone have a great week, and we love you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, even on this little video, and we will see you in the next video.